Patrick, say, Polly want a cracker.
Wally pond whacker, no. Golly pond lacquer, no. Polly want a cracker, yes.
You're doing fine, Patrick. Now, Patricia, honey, you try it.
Polly want a cracker.
That's nice, honey. Now, Peter, be a nice boy and say, Polly want a cracker.
I don't want a cracker, see? I want to be a sailor like me pop, see?
Huh, like your pop. Why, that seafaring homewrecker, that high seas hitchhiker, a fine father he's been, the seagoing slob, a sailor. Why, let me tell you something. When your father and I were first married, we lived in the Canary Islands. Then the stork brought you lovely children. Oh, and I was oh so happy. But your father, the rum-soaked old seagull, couldn't stand being anchored in one harbor for 5 minutes. So he slipped his moorings and set sail for Hawaii.
No, Ma, it was Catalina.
Oh, yes. Set sail for Catalina. I used to burn a little light in the window. Hoping that someday he'd come back to us. But he never did, the needle brain. Now, Peter, now you don't want to be a sailor, do you?
Yes.
What?
Well, see, I'm building a boat, see? And I'm putting out to sea, see? Because...
Today I am a man.
See?
Oh, boy, can I go? Can I be a sailor? I want to be a sailor. Will you let me be a sailor? Can I go with you?
Okay, matey, but you gotta remember, see? I am the captain's kid. I do the things my old man did. For I'm the kid, the captain's kid, and half a buccaneer. All aboard, come on, by heck. Your job will be to scrub the deck, or else I'll twist your leather neck, for I'm a buccaneer. Ship ahoy! Raise the pirate's flag. When we get the swag, we'll sail for Treasure Island. That's where I'll hide the gold and keep it there till I grow old. There's not a pirate half as bold, for I'm the captain's kid. See? This picture is kind of like Mutiny on the County, don't you think? Or don't ya?
Ain't I the talkingest little guy?
No, want to splashing or swimming? It's lots of fun.
low. Yeah, I come. Peter, I'm coming. Help!
Help, 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 help. Help, help.
You big sissy.
Oh, my baby boy. Are you all right? I knew you'd get in trouble. Now, you don't want to be a sailor, do you?
Yeah.
What?
Now, what would you do with a child like that?